Hi Masked Mentor. How can I solve screen addiction issue in my teenagers? Masked Mentor response. Solving digital addiction in youth involves a holistic approach. The key elements of which are 1. Education on healthy tech use. 2. Encouraging face-to-face interactions and 3. Setting screen time limits. Parents and guardians should lead by example, fostering a balanced digital environment. Make use of the tools offered by tech companies for monitoring and managing screen time. Promoting physical activity, hobbies, and outdoor experiences can redirect attention. Community engagement and open dialogues help raise awareness. Schools can incorporate digital literacy programs. Ultimately, a collective effort is required to create a healthier, more balanced relationship between youth and digital devices. Alongside that, mental health support must be readily available in order to address any underlying issues.